Hi, or ni hao. This month on Matootie Tales, our theme is cultural diversity. Many people ask me, where are you from? I'm an Australian-born Chinese, or for short, an ABC. With the help of my auntie, today we'll be making a traditional Chinese dish. Tea eggs. Think of it like a boiled egg, but with flavour and a cool marbled look. We'll start off by boiling some eggs. Today I'm going to use 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make sure that they are at room temperature so it doesn't crack. Okay, so we've just started by boiling the egg for 5 minutes and now we're going to take it out. So we're just going to tip the water out. We are just going to prepare the sauce. So we've got some sugar, salt, 2 tea bags, star anise we've got 1.5, and soy sauce, and in addition dark soy sauce. So we're just going to crack the eggs, and this will help it to give the marble effect in the end, which you will see after. Careful, it is hot. Just going to add a little bit more water so that the water covers the egg. Pop it back on the stove, turn it up. Okay, after it boils, then turn it down and let it simmer for about half an hour. Okay, so we're just gonna start peeling our eggs. Just gonna crack it a little bit more, roll it. To check out the cool marble look. So the flavour's soaked in. The longer you leave it, the better it tastes. And you can begin to see that marble effect. Okay. Beautiful. Enjoy.
Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.